What happens when India's wealthiest legacy channels its power towards something sacred? Anand Ambani is quietly orchestrating a spiritual revolution under Reliance's banner. At a grand pilgrimage event, the company provided free meals, medical camps, EV shuttles, life jackets, and seamless Jio 5G connectivity, all without fanfare. No press blitz, no giant banners, just quiet, efficient service rooted in Sanatan values. It wasn't about headlines, it was about humility and action. Anand's approach is redefining what modern seva can look like when backed by vision, resources, and spiritual conviction. Can corporate influence truly uplift faith-based journeys? In this case, the answer might be yes.